Hey guys, it's Emmanuel here at TheEnthusiasticCoder, and this is the first part of my growing series, Arduino Basic. So we are going to do two projects in this video, and that is making an LED blink and making an LED fade. Now, credit where credit's due, I didn't actually make any of these projects. They were actually built in to the Arduino IDE. And if you want to know how to download that and a basic setup of the Arduino, go to a video over here and up up here, and it'll explain to you everything on how to get started. So what do you need? First things first, you'll need the Arduino Uno, the brains of the computer, and secondly, you'll need the USB-A to the normal USB. This is the data transfer cable, which you'll use to transfer the code to the Arduino. And then you'll need an LED. You can use any color, honestly. I'm just using red because it's very bold, and I'm using this big one so you can see it better. Then you need jumper wires. You only need two, and yeah. It can be any color, it doesn't really change. And then you need a breadboard so that you can actually put the components in. Now, I'm going to be honest with you guys. I'm learning, you're probably learning, so it's going to be a fantastic experience. And I also need to say that these videos take a lot of time and effort to make, which expands my brain knowledge and also costs a lot of money for me. So please hit that like and subscribe button because it really helps my channel out and helps me to grow. So now we'll need to set up the actual board. So what I like to do is that I like to put everything in a very simple manner so it can be as simple as possible. The longest part of the the LED, is the anode, and the shortest side is the cathode. And what that means is anode means positive, which means you'll take the plus, and cathode means negative. So we'll put this into the positive, and we'll put this one into the negative. Sorry, I'm just trying to do this with one hand. Okay. Also to note that you can put it anywhere that you like. You can put the LED anywhere you like. Although you'll need more jumper wires depending on where you put it. And the minus goes into the ground because ground means negative. So it's like a circuit. So it's all going into a loop and it must all connect. So the ground ends the loop. And that's it right here. Now just remember, the reason why I put it in ground and 13 is the shorter one goes to ground and the longer one goes to 13. Any number means power and the ground means negative. Keep in mind it's like a circuit. It is like a loop. It always has to end. It starts with a positive and it ends with a negative. That's how I remember and that's how it works. So, yeah. Okay, so this is the result of the blinking LED. Now, I did have to change the LED because that big one was not working, which is pretty sad because I have it, but it's not working. So I just have to note that. But this is the result of the blinking LED. So I have it right here. Okay, so remember, this must be clicked. It must have the port connected and the Arduino Uno connected. So I will upload it and then you'll see it turns on. Very cool. Sorry, I also have to show the computer laptop. It's just because these cables are so small. Don't know how. I don't know why. Maybe I should get a longer one. Yeah. Do you guys think I should have a long one? Okay, on to the next project. Okay, going on to the second part of the video, which is the second project, fading. Let's go into it. So remember, I said go to Files, go to Examples, go to Basics, and then go to Fade, because we want to make this LED fade. The first time we did it, we made it blink, but now we want the LED to smoothly take away its power. So the way the fading works is just that it provides the power and it takes it away only that it takes it away very slowly. So rather than the blinking where it just takes it and gives it, it'll take it away slowly. Okay, so we have all the words here, 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 and then we have that real code here, where my cursor is circling. Cool beans. So you see the void setup, like I said before, it runs it once. Pin mode, LED output. Void loop runs it over and over again. Now, we see that it's writing LED brightness. So all these things are just stating what I'm saying a lot in depth. Yeah, in depth. It's very easy. You can pause the video to see what the gray writing is. Also, comment down below what the gray writing is, and yeah, I'll shout out your username actually. So tell me what the gray writing is, and tell me why the code does not read it out. Because if it didn't have that, it would certainly bring errors. So tell me why the code does not read it, and tell me what the point of it is for. And yeah. So now we're just putting in if statements here, and we're just stating something here. This is the loop, and then it's delaying it for a certain amount of milliseconds. 30 milliseconds is very, very small, but yeah. And then after it does that, it does it all over again, forever and ever and ever and ever. Yeah. So let's run this project. Okay, so this is the fading LED project, and it's right here. I'm going to upload it. Now, one thing that I did forget, but I did put it when I was editing. Okay, if we can focus, perfect. Is that you need to change these numbers. So originally it was 9. You must change it to 13, or change it to whatever number you put your LED on. Because if you don't put on the right number that the LED is onto, then it won't be able to communicate and put the electricity to that component. So let's run it, hopefully, and see if it's worked. Hey! You can see, let me try. And that's the entire video. It was so much fun to make this video, and I loved it. I hope you guys loved it, because it was just awesome. I will make this an ongoing series, like I said in the beginning of my video, and I hope you'll like that. If you do want me to do some things that you want help with, please make sure it's something that's not that difficult, because I am learning. I'm learning because I'm doing a course. And just comment down below what you want me to do, and I'll make a video on that. So, if you like the video, please like and subscribe if you want to. And remember, have a good day. Peace.